Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, where we dive into the smartest tech that's shaping the way we play, work, and explore the future. Today we're stepping into the virtual world with the Meta Quest 3 512GB VR headset, Meta's latest and most powerful standalone headset yet. With upgraded mixed reality features, a new Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chip, higher resolution displays, and double the storage of the base model, the Quest 3 is aiming to be the most versatile all-in-one headset on the market. But with a higher price tag, especially for this 512GB version, is it really worth the upgrade? Or is Meta just slapping a new label on the same experience? Let's find out. What's in the box? Here's what you get when you crack open the Meta Quest 3 box. The headset itself, redesigned with a slimmer profile. 2 updated Touch Plus controllers, no tracking rings this time. Charging cable and power adapter. A spacer for glasses wearers. Some basic instructions to get you started. There's no carrying case included, and for a premium model like the 512GB version, that feels like a missed opportunity. But overall, the packaging is clean and professional, and setup is fast. No PC or external sensors required. Design and comfort. Meta has trimmed the headset down significantly from the Quest 2. It's lighter, better balanced, and has a much sleeker front design. The pancake lenses help make the whole unit slimmer, and you really feel it during longer play sessions. The face gasket is softer and more breathable than before, though we'd still recommend picking up a third-party head strap for added comfort, especially if you plan to game for more than 30 minutes at a time. The new Touch Plus controllers are also worth mentioning. Meta ditched the old tracking rings and somehow made tracking better. They feel solid, responsive, and more ergonomic overall. Visuals and mixed reality. Here's where things get exciting. The Quest 3 features dual 2064 by 2208 LCD displays, one for each eye, which is about 30% higher resolution than the Quest 2. The image clarity is excellent, with vibrant colors, crisp text, and a wider field of view. But the real standout? The full-color pass-through and mixed reality capabilities. Unlike the Quest 2's grainy black and white pass-through, the Quest 3 gives you sharp, full-color pass-through thanks to dual RGB cameras. That means you can play mixed reality games where virtual objects interact with your real-world space. Think throwing a virtual ball that bounces off your actual coffee table. It's not quite Apple Vision Pro levels of precision, but for a standalone headset at this price point, it's shockingly good. Performance and storage. Powered by the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chip, the Quest 3 is a major leap forward in terms of performance. Everything feels smoother, from menu navigation to gameplay to app switching. Load times are faster, and titles like Asgard's Wrath 2 and Red Matter 2 run beautifully. Now, the 512GB of storage really comes into play here. If you're someone who plays a ton of games, downloads large VR experiences, or wants to store tons of fitness sessions or media, this is the model for you. The base 128GB fills up fast. The 512GB gives you breathing room. And let's be honest, in the age of massive VR games, that extra space goes a long way. Audio and immersion. Meta also improved the spatial audio system, and it shows. The built-in speakers deliver clear, directional sound with improved bass and less leakage. You won't need headphones for most experiences, though you can plug in your own via the 3.5mm jack or Bluetooth. Mic quality is also solid, good enough for in-game chat or virtual meetings in apps like Horizon Workrooms. Combined with the improved visuals and mixed reality, the immersion level here is next level. App library and ecosystem. The Quest 3 runs on the same ecosystem as the Quest 2, so you've got access to a huge library of games, fitness apps, social experiences, and productivity tools right out of the box. It's backward compatible, which means all your Quest 2 games will work here, often with improved resolution and frame rate. Meta is also pushing hard into mixed reality, so we're seeing more MR apps roll out. Titles like First Encounters and Demio Mixed Reality Mode show off what's possible when the virtual and real worlds collide. You can also connect the Quest 3 to a gaming PC via Oculus Link or Air Link for high-end VR like Half-Life, Alex, which is still a masterpiece. What we loved. Let's break down what stands out. sleeker, more comfortable headset design. Massive leap in visual clarity and color pass-through. Blazing fast performance with the XR2 Gen 2. 512GB storage is perfect for heavy users. Excellent mixed reality features. Great built-in audio and spatial sound. Huge library of apps, games, and fitness tools. Backward compatibility with Quest 2 games. Meta didn't just tweak a few specs. They made meaningful upgrades that improve how you experience virtual and mixed reality. What could be better? But of course, nothing's perfect. No included carrying case. Feels like it should be standard at this price. Battery life is still around 2 to 3 hours depending on usage. Mixed reality, while impressive, isn't fully utilized by most apps yet. Face gasket could still use improvement for long-term comfort. Premium price, especially for the 512GB version. If you're a casual user or someone just curious about VR, the base model might be a better value. But for power users, the 512GB is a solid investment. Who's it for? The Meta Quest 3 512GB is for gamers who want the latest and greatest in standalone VR, fitness enthusiasts who use VR for workouts and need the extra storage, creators and developers who are experimenting with mixed reality, anyone who wants a future-ready headset without wires, sensors, or a PC. If you're new to VR and want a true all-in-one experience, this is the best way to get in right now. And if you're upgrading from the Quest 2, you're going to feel the difference immediately. Final verdict. So, is the Meta Quest 3 512GB worth it? For serious VR users, absolutely. The performance jump, mixed reality capabilities, and expanded storage make this feel like a true generational leap. It's not just a better headset, it opens up a new way to blend the real and virtual worlds. We're giving the Meta Quest 3 512GB a strong 9 out of 10. It's powerful, future-proof, and fun, a headset that's ready for whatever's next in immersive tech. Want to try it out? If you're ready to experience next-level VR, check out the link in the description to see the latest price on Amazon and what other users are saying. You might even catch a deal. And hey, if this review helped you out, give it a like, subscribe to Modern Gadget Guy, and tap that bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and stay tech-ready.